So I'm basically creating a Lego arm to try and see if it's possible for in the future to maybe have some form of robotic arm to do self-checkout for customers. I'm hoping that it kind of counteracts some of the problems with self-checkout right now. Some of the problems are more like theft and like wait times just being enormously long, so hopefully it does speed up the process, and also just because some people just dislike self-checkout.
So Hannah was building the robot, and that's really a part of the work. But the goal of this research is basically try to compare an arm robot with a human cashier or the self-checkout machines that are currently available on the market, and to see which is faster.
So you put your basket somewhere and then you just start placing your items in this area, and you basically say, I have like 5 items or so. So you press, I have like 5 items, and then it just goes from there and picks and then drops it in a marked area, and then you put it in your own bags. I'm hoping to find that someone definitely wants to do this, and I'm hoping that it's going to be faster than the human, so then it definitely becomes a thing of the future.
So in our classes, we have this one-on-one interaction, obviously, but having only one student on an important research project, it helps you know the student better, and you can see the advancement of the student.
I'm glad I was given the chance to do this type of research because I think it's really important to study on robotics and also just see what other things are capable in the world, because I think that a lot of people are they either see robotics as it's going to take away people's jobs or it's going to help your job, and I think that there's a really good healthy medium, I believe, and I think that this type of research is really important to see what that medium could become.